Hello and welcome. I'm Samriti Grover and you're watching Brand Vision, the iconic series and initiative of Next Brands. Here we come face to face with visionaries who've implemented ingenious strategies while leading their organizations. These are stories of companies and conglomerates that gained an edge over their competition due to their innovation and out-of-the-box thinking. Take a look at the success stories of 4 such brands. Gionee is a company that believes that products should be as unique as the people who use them. Having carved a niche for itself in the smartphone industry, Gionee India captured a significant market share in a short span of time. From innovative offerings to celebrity endorsements, this brand seems to be getting everything right when it comes to wooing customers. Take a look. There was a time when the only function of a mobile was to make calls. But evolution happened, and in no time, mobiles got smarter and the era of smartphones took over. And one of the significant players in this market is Gionee, a brand that entered the Indian market in 2013 with an aim to disrupt the space and carve a niche for themselves.
I remember way back in 2012 when I did market studies, getting a Chinese brand to India was almost a crime. People believed that we would come in, we would have no service, products would be low quality, and one fine day we will run away. So if you ask me, the day we started business, most people start at ground zero. We started at negative 10 points. So it was very difficult to build a business model at that point of time. And I still remember this office of mine that you see, the biggest investment I did was in after-sales service. And from day one, service is something which we've very, very clearly looked upon.
Gionee India has always believed in keeping innovation as its core value proposition, which has helped the company grow leaps and bounds in a short span of time. A state-of-the-art in-house manufacturing unit ensures Gionee products deliver more than the best to its consumers, creating new benchmarks of quality each time.
We have about 13 partners who buy from us directly. They in turn sell to about 700 all super stockists or retail redistribution stockists, who in turn service approximately about 42,000 shops. In addition to that, we have close to about 10,000 people within shops who are employees funded by us, who actually sell from the shops. And we, as I told you, we have almost or in excess of 1 crore customers. If they have any problem in the device, they can come back to almost about 535 in the stage of getting established, 535 exclusive service centers pan-India.
The selfie feature has taken the smartphone industry by storm, and Gionee's innovation in this space makes it a trendsetter in the market. The Gionee S6s targets the selfie generation. It is a smartphone with a high-resolution front-facing camera sensor and front-facing flash. Known for her youthful energy and style, Bollywood diva Alia Bhatt brings in the same form of dynamism as a brand ambassador for Gionee S6s, resonating strongly with the target audience.
ये मैंने Gionee का फ़ोन लिया है S6s। उसमें मैंने सबसे पहले कैमरा देखा था, कैमरे की वजह से ही मैंने फ़ोन लिया है, क्योंकि मैं सेल्फ़ी बहुत लेती हूँ। पहले का मेरा फ़ोन था वो मैंने लिया था, लेकिन उसमें मैं रात में सेल्फ़ी नहीं ले पाती थी। ये जो मैंने लिया है ये रात की वजह से लिया है, इसमें सेल्फ़ी बहुत अच्छी आती है।
Everyone wants something change in their life, and if you find something new in the market and is related to the technology, so they are having a very good model also, Alia Bhatt. So because if it having a good face, so that's why I'm thinking like go for Gionee this time.
So from innovation standpoint, we as a company believe that there are pain points for consumers. Our job as a consumer product company is to realize what are the pain points of the consumers and bring in innovation in a manner where pain points are relieved and we stand true to our logo of making smiles.
Gionee defines itself as a global provider of mobile and internet technology that is user-friendly, stylish, and above all, a perfect wallet-friendly smartphone. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company is one of the most financially robust insurers in the industry today. Determined to set new benchmarks of excellence, the company lays huge emphasis on understanding the insurance needs of its consumers and offering them affordable products that deliver value for money. Here's the success story of this iconic brand.
अच्छा सुनो, लद्दाख के रास्ते तो बहुत खराब है ना?
मैडम सीनरी देखते देखते कब पहुंच जाएंगे पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
Life as we know is unpredictable.
मिनी!
मिनी!
Full of surprises, shocks and speed bumps.
एक्चुअली मैं ये पूछने आया था कि आपके सेटलमेंट का अमाउंट ट्रांसफर हो गया क्या?
हाँ हाँ.
यार मयंक के लिए कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
The damage caused cannot be prevented, only minimized. And that's where Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company steps in. A company committed to standing by you in times of need.
We started the company in the year 2001, May 2nd to be precise. Vision statement had to incorporate the three most important elements for running a business. First is customer, second was employee, and third was shareholders. So we wanted to be the most preferred insurer for a customer, the most preferred company for employee to be in, and for the shareholders the best company to invest in. And if you look at our journey now, about 15 years we have completed. And if you see from a customer perspective, we have reached about close to 7% market share, which shows the trust that customer has on us. If you look at our grievances, it's the least among the industry.
A general insurance company, Bajaj Allianz boasts of a vast product portfolio. Motor insurance for a cashless settlement in your preferred workshops, health insurance to avail protection for your family, travel insurance for an adequate medical and emergency cover, and home insurance to protect your assets from unforeseen events.
The natural death. Anything which can be insured, we insure. No? So just if I put it, it's the entire spectrum, no? And the A to Z of insurance. So right from automobile to health, to crop insurance, to poultry, to satellites, to aviation, to ships, you name it, to factories, industries, pharma, anything. We cover everything. We have a huge range of products, and there's nothing which can be covered that we don't cover.
With a strong customer base of 40 million, the company is constantly innovating to stay ahead of the curve. The motor insurance policy not just protects one from financial loss, but is also backed by services such as 24/7 roadside assistance and towing facilities in case of a breakdown.
Now in my motor insurance policy, I have I am secured, my car is secured, and the features that Bajaj Allianz provide are the best. I can say once again, because there are certain facilities and add-on features like 24/7, and I have accidental benefit, and then I have Drive Smart. All these components which brings me a complete package. It gives me a complete package with Bajaj.
Another popular offering is the home insurance policy, which provides complete security for your property and all the assets therein.
See, I have my home insured with Bajaj Allianz, I have my car insured with Bajaj Allianz, I have my health policies with Bajaj Allianz. So, what I would say the USP of Bajaj Allianz is that they are reachable. You can find them when you want them. If you ask me, my experience, it was just a click away. I was surfing on my iPad or my mobile and I just found the policy, I bought it. And the claim process is fairly simple. So I think that's where they stand out.
The brand is a proud recipient of many accolades. be it for the highest claims paying ability or for excellence in promoting a healthy work environment. But what really sets Bajaj Allianz apart is its ability to deliver during times of adversity. From setting claims during the devastating Chennai floods,
पिछले कुछ दिनों में धरती के स्वर्ग की हालत नर्क से भी बदतर हो गई है।
बाढ़ की वजह से कश्मीर के कई इलाकों में जान और माल का भारी नुकसान हुआ है।
reaching out to the Jammu and Kashmir flood victims, the company showcased its strengths during very trying times.
Initially, for us, the push was to ensure that people trust us, to ensure that we deliver on time. So obsession was on the claims. Obsession was that if some things go wrong, we should be the fastest to deliver. And we did that. So we brought down the claims time from 3 to 4 months to doorstep.
A leading general insurer, Bajaj Allianz is paving the way for a more secure future. This is an iconic brand committed to serving its customers, come what may. Welcome back. You're watching Brand Vision, the iconic series and initiative of Next Brands. We bring you the success stories of companies and their visionary leaders. BLR Logistics India is a leading player in the logistics industry. Offering customized solutions to several industrial sectors, the company focuses on saving costs while providing world-class services. From transportation to distribution, BLR Logistics is striving to simplify the supply chain for all its customers. Take a look at their inspiring journey. Transportation, warehousing and distribution. The logistics industry has many facets, and one company that stands testimony to providing all these facilities is BLR Logistics India Limited. Started in 1968, the company has reinvented itself with the changing times. With only one aim, to simplify the supply chain by providing customized solutions.
Our brand message is creating value by simplifying supply chains. Over a period of years, we realized that things are very simple, but most of the people are not aware as to how things to be done. Since we specialize in our field, we have tried to make it very simple for our customers. To give an example, we work with the exporters and importers. There are a lot of hidden costs at the CFS or at the ports, which the customers are not aware, which can be brought down. So we actually educate them how to bring down the cost.
In the 80s, we began this particular process of transitioning ourselves and making our presence felt all over India. This process continued from 80s till about mid-90s, and by mid-90s, BLR had a presence in all the states of India with about 65 to 70 own branch offices all across the country. Subsequently, in 2005, around about that time, 2005-2006, one more major transition took place in which the company decided that apart from the trucking services that we are offering, we should also offer other logistics services to our customers.
BLR offers truly integrated logistics services to its customers through its privately owned fleet of more than 2,500 owned and attached vehicles and over 24 general and custom bonded warehouses in all major cities across India. With a fully equipped GPS-enabled back-end system and a fleet that can deliver goods across the country, the company keeps a track of the trucks en route 24/7, keeping the customer informed about where their goods have reached.
That point of time, if a truck left Bombay, you were not even aware where it was unless it reached the destination. So it was always, you're keeping your fingers crossed whether the cargo has reached safely. There could be dacoity on the way or something, but there was no way we could have known. Over the years, it has definitely transformed. Now we have the GPS tracking system, so we are aware about the visibility is more.
DLR is one of the very few companies in this space who are offering full truckload business-to-business services to customers, which is having a pan-India presence. So BLR has got this one strong USP that we are a anywhere-to-anywhere company.
The company today offers an array of services such as transportation of goods, warehousing and distribution, international freight management, project and ODC transportation, and their newly introduced express service.
We are growing at a 15 to 20% growth over the past few years. As far as the future plans goes, one of the most exciting things we are getting into is that we are offering a brand new service to our customers, and this is being offered by a newly set up express division. So in this express division, we are going to offer less than truckload service to our customers. Presently we were operating in the FTL space. So now if a client would like to move time sensitive or maybe even perishable cargo which is less than truckload, which is maybe 5 kg, 10 kg, it can be parcels, it can be courier. So we are offering this to our customers. It's a brand new division, and by this we are moving from the B2B space to the B2C space.
For a logistics company, the focus first lies on its fleet and drivers, and for BLR Logistics too, road safety is of topmost priority. The company organizes regular driver safety and awareness workshops to instill a sense of responsible road behavior amongst the drivers, making them aware of the do's and don'ts of commercial driving.
ड्राइवर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम तो हमारे यहाँ कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस है, बल्कि हम हमारा इन हाउस भी करते हैं। इसके अलावा जो हम बाहर भी भेजते हैं, जो कि हैज़ार्डस गुड्स कैरी करने के लिए जो ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, जो कि करीब 3 दिन तक लगातार दी जाती है, जिसमें कल को कोई दुर्घटना होती है या कोई एक्सीडेंट होता है तो उसको हैंडल किस तरह किया जाए, वो जो एकदम प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनर्स होते हैं वो उनको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है। अगर रोज़ सुरक्षित है मेरा ड्राइवर तो उसका परिवार सुरक्षित है, और अगर ड्राइवर सुरक्षित रूप से गाड़ी चलाता है तो कंपनी को भी उसमें काफ़ी बेनिफिट है।
सब ड्राइवर के लिए ये ट्रेनिंग बहुत ज़रूरी होती है कि करके कि अपनी भी जान बच जाए, सामने वाले की भी ये जान बच जाए। हम इतना कीमती माल लेके जाते हैं गाड़ी में, वो धनी का भी तो ये रहता है उसमें।
Providing globally competitive solutions within a trusted and service-oriented environment. BLR truly offers integrated logistics services to its customers. All That Jazz is a multi-brand retail store that is committed to revitalizing your shopping experience. From offering some of the best global brands in the world to giving customers the special treatment they yearn for, All That Jazz is setting new benchmarks in the retail industry. As the company plans to spread its wings, we bring you their exciting journey. The Temple City of India. Bhubaneswar is known for its architectural wonders. Temples, shrines and contemporary monuments are a few of its jewels. But the city has found a new attraction, a multi-brand retail store called All That Jazz.
All That Jazz started in 2012, wherein we felt that there was a definite gap in the market in terms of the bridge to luxury segment. What we found was that most of the players who was engaged offered a Me Too product in terms of both the brand as well as the experience. So we thought that it was important that we will be able to start a brand which offers them something which is very different an experience which is actually very international, and that is how the idea of All That Jazz took place.
A one-stop shop for casual, lifestyle and sports fashion. All That Jazz houses brands such as Calvin Klein, FC UK, Jack & Jones and Being Human, to name a few. The high-end offerings combined with a vision to understand the youth's aspirations has helped All That Jazz carve a niche for itself in a very competitive market.
We would be having brands like Superdry, Kenneth Cole, Quicksilver, Only & Son, Aeropostale, Calvin Klein White, Calvin Klein Jeans. In terms of perfumes, we would have all the brands, whether it be Prada, Bulgari, Versace, Burberry. So all these brands are the brands which actually have been wanted by the youth of the country, because they would want to experience those international brands. They are coming because we are not having 600 brands, but because we are having 60 of the best brands which the world has to offer. And I think that is what the key differentiator is.
Bhubaneswar, there is nowhere Forever New. There are different brands, but yeah, Forever New is just in All That Jazz, so I love it.
You get so many brands here and the staff are good, they help you out, they tell us what's looking good on us and all. So it helps us to decide, and it's also pocket friendly.
What makes All That Jazz stand out is their out-of-the-box approach to help customers make the right choice. From introducing loyalty programs to assigning relationship managers, the brand seems to have set new standards for retail in India.
We tried to blend in elements of hospitality and retail. So here there is a person assigned at All That Jazz who becomes like a relationship manager. So he is there with the customer throughout the shopping process, guiding him not to purchase, but guiding him as to what is available at the store, what are the various offers running in the store, and also helping him to ensure that he is very comfortable with the environment.
All That Jazz made a breakthrough with this campaign, which reflects the ethos of this company. This is an international brand format store striving to become synonymous with global fashion under one roof.
I think one of the very successful campaign which we did was again on the theme of experience the difference, wherein from a 14,000 square feet height there was a skydiver who actually jumps, and he jumps with a parachute. That is over a topography of a city in Europe, and he is there with a flag of All That Jazz, and capturing that entire experience, and not talking about the products which we sell, the price points which we have, the offers which are there, but just the experience of the skydiving and with the All That Jazz flag. I think we're able to connect with the consumer, our target audience, that is the youth.
Having made a name for itself in Eastern India, the brand plans to make greater inroads into the Indian market and even has its eyes set on the international market.
You will be surprised to know that for Calvin Klein, we are the top 5 accounts in the country, which is a testimony to the fact that the brand is able to deliver on the promise of the customer satisfaction. Rather, we can talk about customer delight. Similarly, even for brands like Selected, for brands like Only & Sons, we are the leader in the country in terms of overall sales volume. So we have stores in Bhubaneswar, Ranchi, Puri, Cuttack, Raulkela. Going ahead, we have already signed stores in Raipur, Jamshedpur, Nagpur, and we are planning to go pan-India the next financial year. So you can expect a rollout of about 10 to 12 stores in FY 17-18.
Premier brand, a dedicated sales force, and a vision to change the game. All That Jazz promises a one-of-a-kind experience for its customers. With that, it's a wrap on today's episode. We'll be back next week with 4 more inspiring stories. Thank you for watching Brand Vision, the iconic series and initiative of Next Brands.